Okay, students, there is revision of imperative sentences. So I have already told you about imperative sentences. बच्चों imperative sentences का पहले definition tell me. First of all, you will tell me definition of imperative sentences. Okay, tell me.
Imperative sentences express request, advice, invitation, command, etc.
Okay, first of all, advice. Second thing, command. Next thing,
Request,
request. Next thing,
invitation,
invitation. Something you have left also. Next, order. Okay, students, these are the things. Which are things we will start? You are advised and you are requested. Okay, advised and requested both are used. Both are used just as you are advised or you are requested. Okay, then command and invitation and order. How will we use command? Command का use
let is
कैसे
used.
करेंगे? Yes. क्या फार्मूला चलता है कमांड के लिए?
Let plus object plus be plus past
Okay,
participle form.
let plus object plus be plus verb
Third form.
third. Okay, then can you give any example of advice? Yes, students, now you tell me, can you give any example of advice? बताइए, एडवाइस का कोई एग्जांपल आप दे सकते हैं?
You are advised to work hard.
No, I'm asking you active voice sentence.
Work hard.
It has already given yesterday. Any other sentence? Can you give any other example? Work hard I have already given. Palak? Now, write down. Take medicine on time. Yes. Now, this one is the active voice sentence. Now, change into passive voice. What will be the passive voice of it?
You are advised to take medicines on time.
You are advised. What will be used here? Advised? SE or CE?
SE.
SE. You are advised to take. And what is the joining word here? To. Okay? To take medicine on time. Okay? Okay, students. Can you give any example of command?
Open the door.
Open the door. Okay. How will you change this?
Let the door be opened.
Let the door be opened. Okay. Now, request. Can you give an example of request?
Kindly give me your car.
Kindly, यही कार ही मांगेगा ना. Kindly give me your car. Okay. Now change this.
You are requested to give me your car.
Yes. You are.
मैं पहला कॉपी में से देख रही हूँ.
तूने कौन सा बाहर से देखा है?
Why are you suspicious about others? What about you? You are requested to give me your car. Okay? Hello? Have you done this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then next thing, order or invitation. Okay. And invitation. How will you use invitation in active voice? Can you tell me?
Come in wedding.
Huh?
Come in wedding.
Any other example can you give? देखिए किस तरह के sentences भी होते हैं. Let us go for a walk. Okay? So how will you change this type of sentences? Let us go for a walk. Let us go for a walk.
You are invited to go for a walk.
नहीं, इस तरह से नहीं होगा. Anybody else? Anybody else? आज को हम चेंज करेंगे. देखिए किस तरह से.
We are advised to go for a
नहीं
walk.
नहीं, we should be we should go for a walk. We should go for a walk. देखो इसमें क्या होता है, इस तरह के सेंटेंसेस में वी शुड का यूज किया जाता है. ओके. अब जैसे लेट अस जो है उसको हमने बी में कन्वर्ट कर दिया. ओके.
मैम ये सेंटेंस आएगा तो एडवाइस में ही ना.
एडवाइस में, एडवाइस तो नहीं है ये इनविटेशन है. ओके.
ओके मैम.
So next, this one is advice, command, request, invitation, and order. Okay? No, not order. Invitation is used here. Okay? So is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. मम्मी बार बार म्यूजिक की चीज का बता रहे हैं.
Just a minute, please. Yes. The order. Can you give me any example of order? Can you give any example? देखो इसमें क्या है, मैंने आपको बताना चाहता है इसको. देखिए we should go for a walk. Okay, today we will
Ma'am,
discuss only these things. Okay, I will take your class tomorrow.
Okay, ma'am.
मैम लेफ्ट हो जाए